Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is shu, hachi, hachi. So let's get started. Meaning 8. Radical. These two strokes. Hachi. Pronunciation. Kunyomi. Ya, ya. 8つ8つようよう音読み8 8 Stroke order 1 2 There are 3 tips for writing hachi beautifully. Tip 1. This shape is triangle and the angles are 45 degree. Yeah, but this is just a guide, so don't be nervous. If you write like this or like this, both are correct. Yeah, these are a little bit different angle, but they are in the correct range. So the correct range is wide. Yeah, I mean, it depends on the person's taste. Okay, this is like a equilateral triangle, so strictly this angle should be from 45 to 60, right? So both are correct. Yeah, these are too much, so these are not beautiful. Okay? Yeah. Sorry. This circle is Japanese style. Yeah, these are correct. These are not beautiful. Okay? All right. Tip 2. This tip is about the position of the starting and ending strokes. The starting point of first stroke is lower than the second stroke. Second stroke starts on the center line. And please align the bottom of these 2 strokes. Not like this. These are same height, so it looks ha of katakana, you know? And look at this part. This is like a hook, right? You may have seen the character like this. This is the Gothic style. This stroke is flat and long, but you don't have to emphasize that much in handwriting, so please hook a little bit like this, okay? Yeah, this is not aligned. Right? Okay, next, tip 3. This step is about the stroke movement. These are sweep stroke. Maybe this stroke is more difficult to write beautifully, especially with brush pen or writing brush. Stop at once and change the direction to the right side. Okay? You don't have to do it with a pen. You can just like this. Yeah, Sorry. Both are correct. Not like this. Okay? Stop and stop. This is a bad example. Alright, so let's write again as a review. Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. Yaoya. Yaoya. Yaoya means vegetable store or green grocery. 私は今から八百屋に行きます。私は今から八百屋に行きます。今から means now. 行きます、行く means go. So it means I will go to the vegetable store now. 私は今から八百屋に行きます。Okay? Maybe you would be wondering why we call the vegetable store yaoya, right? So I will explain a little bit. There are two origins of aspects. One is phonetic origin, and the other is kanji origin. So first, the phonetic of yaoya comes from aoya. Aoya. Ao means blue, ya means store. So aoya means the store selling blue things. So blue things store. Okay? What is blue things? You must be wondering again. I know. There is another history. 1,000 years ago, Japanese people had only 4 colors: red, white, black, and blue. Okay? So Japanese people call the green things blue. Okay? Even now, sometimes Japanese people call the green things blue. For example, 青りんご. 青りんご. It means blue apple. It's not actually blue, but we call it blue. Okay? 青葉. 青葉. It means blue leaf, but it's actually not blue. It's green, right? And 青信号. 青信号. It means blue signal, but it's not actually blue. Sometimes blue, yes, but mostly it's green. So, aoya means store selling green things, right? Yeah, many vegetables are green. Okay? This sounds of aoya changed to yaoya. Aoya, 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 yaoya. Like that. Okay. The other origin is about the kanji. Yeah, the kanji yao. Yeah, sometimes we read it yao, and sometimes we read it 800. Right? So 800 means 800. So it means that there are many. Yeah, there are many kinds of vegetables in Japan. Alright? So this kanji was adopted. Yeah, so the phonetic of yaoya comes from aoya. The kanji origin is many. Okay? Am I make sense? Oh, it's tough. So please give me some advice about anything in English. English grammar, English pronunciation, whatever. So let's keep it up each other. Yeah. Alright, number 2. 八角. 八角. 角 means stroke. So 八角 means 8 strokes. かの画数は8画です。か の画数は8画です。It means か has 8 strokes. かの画数は8画です。Actually, this kanji か is one of my name, Kayo. Kayo. So, か means good or beautiful or excellent. That's perfect kanji for me. Thank you for my parents. Alright. Alright, number 3. 八つ当たり。八つ当たり。八つ means 8. This 八つ is originally comes from 八歩。八歩。八歩 means 8 direction. So, here and there, right? 当たり means hitting or attacking. In other words, it means hitting or attacking and complaining unrelated people. So it means taking it out on. Taking it out on. Taking it out on. Am I correct? So example phrase is 八つ当たりしないでよ. Yeah, it's a casual way. 八つ当たりしないでよ. Right? In Kansai dialect, we can say 八つ当たりせんとってよ. Or 八つ当たりしんといてや. Like this. You don't need to remember this. Please remember the first one. 八つ当たりしないでよ. Alright, so that's all for today. See you next video.